Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Mary Dika and today's video is about this pretty yellow and orange eye makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. And please don't forget to show me love by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you, God bless you. Thank you so much. I'm using this Oriflame Pure Skin Mattifying Face Lotion for my face to prime my face. I'm using this L'Oreal True Match Foundation in the shade Creme Cafe W8 for my face. I'm using this Elegant Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Sand to conceal and highlight. I'm using this Iman Cosmetics Luminous Powder Foundation in the shade Clay 2 to set my face and to set my highlight. I'm using this Iman Cosmetics Luminous Powder. I'm using this Iman Cosmetics Luminous Powder Foundation in shade 85 to contour and bronze my shade. I'm using this Newborn Beauty Obsession palette, and I'm using this shade Yankari for my crease first. Next, I'm using this shade Zaria for my crease too. Next, I'm using this shade Echo for my outside crease. Next, I'm using this shade Ikara, this yellow shade Ikara, for my inner lid. Next, I'm using this gold Zongo eyeliner for my waterline. I'm using the orange shade for my lower lash line. And the yellow for my inner lower lash line. I'm using this Zekel Cosmetics Smudge Proof Gel Eyeliner to line my eyes. I'm using this Classic Makeup Voluminous Mascara for my eyes. I'm using this MAC Cosmetics highlighter called Gold Deposit to highlight my face. And I'm using this Zekel Cosmetics Sparkling Honey Dust Highlighter in the shade Moonlight to highlight my face too. I'm using this Tara Makeup Blush Palette. I'm using this blush right here for my face. I'm using the Zara Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Bold to line my lips. I'm using the Zara Cosmetics lipstick in the shade Barefaced for my lips. And I'm using this Sleek Makeup Clear Lip Gloss for my lips too.